What if I told you that you don't need to spend months creating videos in order to monetize your Faceless channel? What if you could start earning in a matter of weeks? Don't believe me? This YouTube channel gained over 119,000 subscribers with just 5 videos. One of such videos exploded to 1 million views and others are nearing 500,000 views each. Decoding by T is another Faceless channel that got monetized with just 7 videos. Another great example is 10x Income. He recently told his subscribers that he made over $10,000 from just one viral video. So naturally, I went down the rabbit hole to research how these channels got monetized crazy fast and how you can replicate their success. And spoiler alert, it is not through shorts. In fact, most of these channels have not posted a single YouTube short. And this is because you need to get 10 million public short views in 90 days in order to monetize your channel through that route. And that is a super hard way to go about it. So I analyzed all of these channels and I developed a 4-step formula to help you reach that monetization goal super fast with long-form videos. And I am going to share the exact process to help you get there in record time. Because you know that this is the only channel where you never have to wait for a part 2 or go watch 2 more videos to get started. So let's dive right into the very first formula, which is picking a trending niche. Do you know what's the secret sauce behind the success of the Faceless channels that we mentioned at the beginning of the video? Well, all of them have gotten a lot of views and subscribers because they tapped into niches that was super massive with eager audiences ready to watch that content. If you pick a niche with a tiny audience or dive into an overcrowded market, your journey to monetization is going to be a lot longer. In the worst case scenario, you might not even earn a single penny. That is why choosing the right niche is absolutely critical. Think of your niche as the foundation of a building. If the foundation is not strong, the building will eventually collapse. Now, your niche needs to overlap in 3 separate areas. One is having a large audience base. Second is having low competition. And third is your own knowledge and experience. Now, the biggest mistake that I have seen new Faceless YouTubers make is choosing a niche solely based on that passion. Many big YouTubers recommend this, but it's not necessarily a great strategy when you are starting out, because a niche that you're passionate about might not resonate with a wide audience. For instance, collecting rare stamps is a fascinating hobby, but it's a niche with limited appeal. Building a Faceless channel around it would be very tough to monetize. Similarly, if you like playing video games, it does not mean that choosing that as a niche is going to get you great results, because competition in that niche is fierce. You might get monetized one day, but it might take several months or even years of consistent uploads to get there. Now, I'm not suggesting that you should choose a niche that you hate or completely disregard. Being passionate about your niche makes it easier to find video topics because you already know what people like you enjoy watching on YouTube. You understand their likes, their dislikes, problems, and desires. Passion is essential, but it needs to be balanced with market demand. To kickstart your Faceless channel, consider exploring niches like scary videos, true crime stories, making money with AI, celebrity news, AI news, or even dark psychology. Now, this brings us to the second part of the formula, which is creating videos that people actually want to watch, or to put it simply, videos that solve a specific problem. Now, don't guess what people want. Instead, analyze successful channels in your niche to uncover the pain points and the desires of your target audience. For example, if your niche is charisma and manipulation, start by finding successful channels that make similar videos. The ones that I could find are Charisma on Command and Social Psychology Masters. Go to their video section, click on the popular tab, and look for topics or themes that have performed very well on both channels. I can see that there's a huge demand for videos on gaining instant respect, boosting confidence, and looking more attractive. Plus, there's a lot of curiosity about handling insult and disrespect. So you know that these are topics that are already popular with this target audience. To stay ahead of the curve, analyze which of their recent videos have performed very well. Switch to the latest tab and you might notice that how to have elite level confidence and how to be more influential, and topics like 6 killer jokes that make people obsessed with you have outperformed other recent videos on Charisma on Command's channel. So explore these topics on your own channel to attract more viewers. To expand your reach, you can also consider translating your videos into multiple languages, just like Charisma on Command has done. He has simply translated his English videos into Spanish and he has garnered 1.12 million subscribers. Don't worry, you do not need a dub artist for this. You can use InVideo to effortlessly translate your videos not only into Spanish but into multiple other languages like French, Italian, German, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Urdu, and much more with just a simple text prompt. Now, a hack to get more views and subscribers is to find out trending topics and club them with your niche. This is called trend jacking. Initially, when you're starting out, nobody knows about your channel. So if you create videos on top topics that are already trending on YouTube, the algorithm will push your videos in front of more people. For example, there's a lot of buzz around the newly released Deadpool and Wolverine movie. You can take this topic and combine it with your charisma niche to create videos like how to be witty and charming like Ryan Reynolds, or how to be funny like Ryan Reynolds in 5 steps. And these videos are likely to perform much better than if you were to just do this without taking this angle into consideration. Now, this brings us to the third part of the formula, which is focusing on building an audience. Now, the key to unlocking monetization isn't just attracting new viewers. Sometimes that works. For example, in cases of channel like Isaac, who got monetized with just one video. But that is the exception, not the rule. For most of the channels that we discussed at the beginning of this video, it is the focus on building an audience that actually led them to getting monetized quickly. And trust me when I tell you this, that making existing viewers return back to your channel is a lot easier than constantly chasing new ones. Now, to build an audience, there are 2 things you need to focus on, which is consistent uploads and sticking to your niche, which is making videos on similar topics, understanding your audience, and then solving for the problems that they face on this journey. For example, if you're making videos on personality development and then suddenly you switch up your content and start making videos on AI business ideas, your audience will get absolutely bamboozled. And what's more is that YouTube is not going to push that content further out to your audience because your audience is not expecting that kind of content from your channel. When viewers visit your channel, they should immediately understand what topics you cover and what problems you solve for. This makes it very easy for you to convert them into subscribers by building trust. So, pick one theme and stick to it. Another thing that helps build a loyal audience is maintaining consistency. But if you're just starting out on YouTube, you know how much work making a video can be. This is the main reason that new faceless creators are not able to stay consistent with their uploads. A tool like InVideo AI can really help you here by taking a lot of that grunt work out of the picture. You just need to give InVideo a text prompt and it can make the entire video for you, complete with the right script, media, music, and voiceover. Plus, you can clone your own voice here for that all your videos are created in your voice itself, which also helps you build a consistent brand over time. And don't worry, only you can use your voice, nobody else. Now, to further boost your engagement, consider organizing your videos into different playlists. This basically encourages users to have a binge session or a binge watch session on your channel. And when they continue watching one video after the other, this sends a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm to push more of your videos out to that. For instance, this Faceless channel, Chris Invests, has divided his videos into playlists like saving money, making more money, investing, and retirement planning. So anybody who's looking for these particular topics can watch the entire playlist and get the information they need. And finally, do not forget to nurture your community by actively engaging with your audience, responding to comments, showing appreciation, and creating a space where viewers feel valued. Building a strong connection with your community is the key to long-term success. Now we come to the last piece of the formula, which is improving with every video. Now, to attract new subscribers and increase your watch time, continuously improving your videos is essential. And here are some steps that you can take to ensure that you're always enhancing your content. First, analyze your best performing videos using these 5 metrics. 1, click-through rate. 2, watch time. 3, average view duration. 4, view count. And 5, your comments. Once you've identified the best performing videos, try to create sequels or related content for them. For example, if you are a faceless channel focused on charisma and you see that a video on the importance of body language in communication is getting a lot of views, consider creating follow-up videos that dive deeper into specific aspects of body language like mastering eye contact, powerful hand gestures, or reading facial expressions. Next, examine the retention graph to identify where viewers are dropping off. This will help you understand which parts of your video are less engaging. Look at your best performing videos and ask yourself, why did this video perform exceptionally well or better compared to other videos? Was the video idea exceptionally good? Were the title and the thumbnail enticing? Was the intro engaging? Was the script humorous, serious, or informative? By thoroughly analyzing these aspects, you can refine your content strategy and create more engaging videos. This will definitely increase your chances of rapid monetization. And finally, go ahead and read the comments to understand what your viewers like and dislike. You can also ask your audience directly what kind of content they want to see more of using the YouTube community post tab. This will not only make them feel valued, but also provide you you with valuable insight for future content. Remember that publishing a ton of quality content is crucial if you want to get monetized as soon as possible. Ideally, you should aim to publish 2 to 3 videos a week. The more videos you publish, the more data you gather and the more improvements you can make on your channel. But keep in mind that increasing quantity should not mean decrease in quality. Now, before I let you go, I want to share a hack to boost the exposure of your video. In addition to creating engaging long-form content, leverage the power of short-form videos. I know that I said in the beginning that shorts are not the ideal way to monetize your channel, but when you create shorts alongside your long videos, you get a boost in both viewership and engagement. Now, with the rise of TikTok and Instagram Reels, people's viewing habits have changed considerably. Viewers often watch short videos first before deciding whether they want to watch the full video. So creating shorts can be a very effective strategy. However, you do not need to spend additional time trying to create shorts. The best part is that YouTube has an inbuilt remix feature that comes in super handy here. By using the remix feature, you can identify which parts of your video are watched the most and then upload those as shorts. You can also add the link to the full video at the bottom center, so viewers who enjoy the shorts can easily jump to the full video. Shorts can act like a magnet, attracting viewers, while the full video provides the watch time and the subscribers needed for monetization. And since this feature is built into YouTube, using it requires no additional effort. So if you have a posting schedule with 2 long videos and 2 to 3 short videos every single week, getting monetized is going to be super quick for your channel. Remember that consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are the keys to your YouTube monetization. Now, while this strategy will get you monetized pretty quickly, what if I told you that there is a way that you can use to start monetizing your YouTube channel from day one of posting content without even having 100 subscribers? Sounds too good to be true? Well, I thought so too, until I went down the YouTube rabbit hole and discovered that there is a very powerful method that you can actually use to make money on YouTube from day one without any subscribers. And if making money is your aim, I highly recommend you check out this video next, where we not only talk about the game-changing hack, but actually show you step by step how to apply it to your own channel. And let us know what was your biggest takeaway from this video and how you are going to apply it to your own channel. Don't forget to leave a comment along with a link to your channel to get a shout out in our next video.